Hi guys, and welcome back to another Pokemon unboxing. Today we have the Mega Emboar EX box with Ascended Heroes. We have 1 and 2. So we're gonna rip these open and see what we get. It comes with the promo card, the jumbo card, and 4 packs of the Ascended Heroes. So I am still chasing that Dragonite. It's very much feeling like a far off dream. That's never gonna happen, but we gotta have faith, right? So let's get these open. Here is the super cute little promo card of Emboar. I really like this, that's quite nice. So we have that one. We have the jumbo card. And we have the 4 packs of Ascended Heroes. But we will open up the other box so we can do it all together. So loud. So we have our 2 promo cards. Ooh. And our 8 packs of Ascended Heroes. The Dragonite is definitely going to be in these. I can feel it. Dragonite. Pikachu! This one. Oh, nice! That's really cute. I love the cute little EX card there. Rejoice. Oh, can we open then? Adorable. Next one. Oh, dropped one. 3. It's Pikachu. Very cute. We have the Mega Magnanium. Very, very cute. Little EX card right there. Adorable. So we have 3 packs left. Dragonite, he's totally in one of these. 2 packs. Come on, Dragonite. Oh, nice! Oh, look at little Dreepy! How adorable is that? He's such a sweetheart. Oh, look at him. He's so cute. That's adorable. Yeah, I'm pleased with that one. So, so cute. Last pack. Nice. So, out of that one, out of those 2 boxes, we managed to get our lovely little EX card, Dreepy, Mega Magnanium, and our 2, obviously, promo cards. But yes, no Dragonite today, but hopefully one day he will be mine. Yes, thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. I super appreciate any support, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thank you. Bye.